Hello, kids! Welcome to English Time. I'm so happy to see you. How are you today? Are you happy? Great! What's the weather in your place today? Look outside. What's the weather? Is it sunny, cloudy, or rainy? Listen. Sunny. Say, it's a sunny day. Listen. Cloudy. Say, it's a cloudy day. Listen. Rainy. Say, it's a rainy day. Listen. Here are the days of the week. Say, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Look, what's the day today? Listen. Thursday. Say, today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Look, what color is this? Listen. This is brown. Say, brown, brown, brown. This is brown. Brown guitar. Brown cookies. Brown puppy. Brown ice cream cone. Brown drawer. Look, what letter is this? Listen. Letter I. Say, I. 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 Letter I. I is for insects. I is for island. I is for iguana. I is for ice skaters. I is for ice cream. Look! What shape is this? Listen. It's a cone. Say, cone, cone, cone. It's a cone. Look! How many ice cream can you see? Listen. 9 ice cream. Say 9. 9. 9. 9 ice cream. 9 ice skaters. 9 iguanas. 9 islands. 9 insects. 9 ice cream. I hope you had fun today. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. This is Wang Sensei, your online tutor.